Mayor Eric Adams' bribery and campaign finance trial, originally set for mid-April, has been delayed by a federal judge after the Trump administration's Justice Department requested the case to be dismissed.
Judge Dale Ho took the April trial date off calendar, but he didn't dismiss the case, at least not yet. He appointed a special counsel, Paul Clement, to argue against the Department of Justice's position on dismissing the case.
Ranen says this legal maneuver is rarely used in federal court cases, making the judge's decision unusual.
It's not unprecedented, but it's not common. When the opposing parties want a case dismissed, it's almost always dismissed. The issue of what was the reason for the dismissal and is it appropriate? That's the issue that is going to be relitigated now that Clement is involved.
Some experts argue that the charges were improperly dismissed as part of a deal for Adams to cooperate with the Trump administration on migrant deportations from New York.
Trump's proposal coming from the Washington office was dismissing the charges without prejudice against Mayor Adams in order, frankly, to keep him dangling so that they could keep control of him as it relates to the president's agenda, especially around immigration. So this was an intentional way for Trump to continue controlling the mayor of the city of New York.
Adams supporters insist he has done nothing wrong.
There is not one iota of evidence that he have done something wrong with Trump. President Trump said so. The czar from the immigration said so. So these are opponents who never voted for him, who don't want him in office.
President Donald Trump also has come to Adams' defense.
It looked to me to be very political.
Kathy Hochul, fight back, remove Eric Adams.
Meanwhile, New York Governor Kathy Hochul has ruled out removing Adams from office, opting instead for state oversight to monitor his administration.
I have determined that I will not commence removal proceedings at this time. My strong belief is that the will of the voters and the supremacy and sanctity of democratic elections preclude me from any other action. I cannot deny the people of this great city the power to make this decision for themselves.
With legal delays, state oversight, and mounting scrutiny, Adams' political future remains uncertain. Aron Ranen, VOA News, New York City.